11, 2021. This one here I got a call from a customer of mine. I guess I've done a couple of jobs for him. I think I replaced a compressor on his condenser outside. He had a Goodman 22 unit, needed a compressor. He wanted to just change the compressor. I think I did that from a couple of years ago. So it's been running fine. He's got a problem with his water heater now. Said that the water's coming out the relief valve. So I asked him if the water was really hot coming out of the tap. He said no. So probably just needs a relief valve changed. That's what they call a T and P. So temperature and pressure relief valve. And it's on the side of the tank, so it's a 4-inch one. If it's in the top of the tank, it's going to be an 8-inch probe in my state. So we're going over there, and he's an older Portuguese guy. Like I said, I've worked for him before, so. Repeat customer. A lot of my customers like that. They call me back when they need me. Oh, I took care of him last time I did a job for him, and they remember that. You don't want to try to screw people over, because then you'll get a bad rep. You know? Try to be fair with people, and they'll always call you back. He was getting a little gnarly there, Molly.
Exit 4 on the left.
I need a haircut.
195 East.
I think you need a haircut. You're getting a little gnarly there, Molly. Do you find that the water's really, really hot? No?
No.
Super hot, like you have it turned way up?
When it's running the B.
Yeah, you got it up pretty high. It could be that relief valve. Let's go. Yeah.
This has been like that ever since.
Why'd you put it on B? Why is it so hot? You should put it on like where it says hot here.
It shuts off.
Huh?
It shuts off.
What do you mean it shuts off?
Yeah, the pilot shuts off when
No, that nothing to this is a temperature thing. It had nothing to do with that temperature shutting off. This is a Whirlpool. This is a Home Depot special.
Yeah. Or they came from Lowe's.
Lowe's. Alright, I just want to check the water.
That's a 12 years warranty, that thing.
Yeah, but that's the same tank. They just charge you extra for the warranty.
Yeah.
It's not a different tank.
Yeah, you can check the water here.
You're just wasting your money with the warranty.
Yeah, you can do that over here.
I just want to make sure it's not crazy like making steam.
Yeah.
You know? Because if it gets hot, it's doing its job by opening.
Because I've been used that V for a long time. It never dripped. It started a few days ago.
Have you opened it? Have you opened the relief valve up?
No.
You never played around with it?
No, I never played with that, no.
Okay.
Left the way, you know. There was a guy from Forever, farmer from Forever. He's the one who put that. He was working for Lowe's. I was taking there, and they said the plumber to it.
How long has it been in for?
Well, it's been maybe like 4 years.
Oh, so it's not that old.
No.
It is hot. I'm going to turn it back down to where it's supposed to be. It's supposed to be on that.
They don't know. You're the plumber.
I could change the relief valve. I'll put a new relief valve in there for you, but
kind of hot.
Yeah, it doesn't have to be way on B like that. I mean, it's flipping hot. You know, you can fry eggs with that thing. They got that Dr. Zeus book, Frying Eggs. I think they banned it. Yeah, they're banning all the Dr. Zeus books. You hear that?
I never heard that.
Huh? Oh yeah. Yeah, it's pretty hot.
That's pretty good.
It's pretty hot.
Okay.
So we're gonna turn that down. We'll change that relief valve.
Because I never had that problem. It started like a few days, maybe 3-4 days. It started. I noticed stuff because I see a little bit of white on top and there the floor. I said, oh, someone, what the hell is that? I thought it was my wife putting the soap from
Now what do you have here? City water?
Yes.
Did they change the water meter?
Yes, they did.
Where's the water meter? Can I look at it?
Right there, right over there.
Okay.
They didn't change the water meter. Yeah,
Yeah, so there's no check valve on
Yeah,
there.
they did.
Yeah, but there's no check valve. They didn't put a check valve one on there, so you don't need a tank.
Yeah, what I see is that thing over there up top. That's the.
No, that's so they can
Yeah.
read it, but
Yeah.
there's no check valve, so we don't need an expansion tank.
Okay.
So I'm gonna leave this on. Leave this on where it says hot. It doesn't need to be on
Okay.
B. That's too hot.
Okay.
And we'll change this.
Okay.
Get this unthreaded. Right here, we'll use it. Same thing, 105, 210. It's a T&P. I'll go right in there, 4-inch. Give it a little jizzle. So the AC's been working okay?
Yeah, it's been working beautiful. The AC was been running ever so last year. It was pretty good. I don't have no problem. You did a good job on that.
Yeah. We'll have to hear it.
Yeah, it was a good job.
Yeah, we talked about your options and that's what you decided to go with, so we did. Yeah, it looks like this has been leaking. It's all black inside.
I was surprised.
I got the water off. Wow, look at the shit in there.
Yeah.
You see all that schmag?
Yeah. Maybe that's from there.
Look like my ex-wife.
Still living down?
What?
Still living down?
I don't want to get in trouble. Yeah, I live in Diamond.
Yeah.
Alright, you want to buy my house? I'll sell it to you cheap.
No, still living in the same place, huh?
I'll sell it to you cheap. I'll give you a good deal on it.
Not at my age.
Huh?
Not at my age.
No?
Ah, I'm 70 years old. Come on.
You'll be going in the nursing home before you know it.
Oh yeah.
You better watch out. That guy Cuomo will
Oh yeah.
take care of you.
Yeah. Me and my wife, she won't take care of me. I'll take care of her.
Cuomo. Improper touching, I guess, is a lot of these broads. He's been sniffing, been feeling them up in their panties.
Yeah.
You hear that?
No,
Give it the old touch-a-roo. You know, Cuomo.
Yeah, he's in trouble. That guy.
Cuomo's a... Yeah, improper touching, they're saying now.
He's in a big trouble.
Yeah.
3 women is accusing him.
I think there's 6 of them now.
6 of them. Wow.
Yeah.
Unbelievable.
He's a player. Alright, so that should take care of it. I don't want you to go any harder than that. That should be fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, I'll leave that the way it is.
A lot of buildup in there. It's a skanky one. What is it, Molly? What is it, Miss Molly? You missed me already. I was just in there 5 minutes. You missed me already. Alright, the guy gave me a $5 tip. $6. Yeah, $5 tip. Nothing wrong with that. He said, buy myself a coffee. Oh, I'm going to buy a coffee. She's a leaker, Mama. She's a leaker. She's a leaker, Mama. Yeah, she's a leaker. She's a leaker. Oh, yeah, she's a leaker. Yeah, oh, yeah, you're a leaker. All right, push over. Come on.